Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 1 over tan s to the power of 3 ds. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We have tan s equal to sin s over cosine s. So in this situation, we put this one in here because tan s in the denominator. If we put 1 over the denominator, this fraction they will swap together, and now you will get about cosine s to the power of 3 and sin s to the power of 3. Next, about cosine s to the power of 3, we can separate them into cosine s to the power of 2 with cosine s. We have sin s square plus cosine s square equals to number 1. In this situation, we change cosine s square from here, and that's about cosine s square equals to 1 minus sin s square. So we change cosine s square into 1 minus sin s square in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to sin s, du equals to cosine s ds. So this one we change for u to the power of 3. This one we change u to the power of 2. Cosine s ds we change for the u. One divided to u to the power of 3, you will go about u to the power of negative number 3. U to the power of 2 divide u to the power of 3, you will go about u to the power of negative number 1. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of u to the power of negative number 3, you will go about u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. So the next one, u to the power of negative number 1, that's about 1 over u. In this situation, you will use about natural law, that's about ln of absolute value of u. Negative number 3 plus 1, you will go about negative number 2, and you go about negative number 2 in here. About u, we need to change back for sin s. And we put in here. This is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.